What's up, my dudes? This is an amp.
It's totally an amp, but besides that, okay, today's video, I don't know what number we're on, it'll be number 9. I'll lose count because sometimes I film a lot of this stuff and then go back and edit it later and kind of figure out where I'm gonna, cut it and everything else. But we got the neck, we got the body, and today's video we're gonna bolt that neck onto this body. We have 4 holes already on this, pre-drilled right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a gasket and a plate. So all of that stuff is just gonna sandwich together. We'll get the neck in here. I'll have to sand a little bit on this. So, because remember we filled this neck pocket to make it tight, we'll have to just kind of sand here and sand here just a little bit so that'll fit in there real good and snug. Pop those screws in there, and we have a neck, and we have a guitar, and let's see what happens. All right, so we've got we sanded this down so it fits in this neck pocket really, really good. We've got it in there, so what we're gonna do is turn this thing over, and 4 bolts that, or the screws, sorry, the 4 screws that came with the guitar. We're just gonna line, so get this gasket, plastic gasket, and this metal plate. We're just gonna line everything up and drill it in there. Hopefully it will work out. We'll have a neck on this thing. So we shall see what happens. Over the neck.